This is launch control in a non-sport Chrono equipped 991.2 Carrera. As you can see, I don't got the I only got a sport button and no selector wheel right here. I am PDK. So in Mexico, I got the JB4 logging set up right there. The way to enable it, as I found, it works with traction on or traction off. I prefer it with traction off, so hold it down to turn it off, put suspension in stiff mode, and then what you want to do is hold down the brake all the way, so your foot should be fully depressed, and then when you press on the gas, it's going to rev up like that. So as I said, foot fully down, right foot down, and rev it up, build boost, and go. And that's launch control in a non-sport Chrono car.